Hello everyone. So how are you enjoying learning about slugs so far this week? Well, today I thought we'd do a little maths activity. So I've got here some numbers, look. So I've got number 1, whoops, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. These are ever so easy to make, you know. All you need is some bottle tops, so off your milk or squash bottles or any bottles that mum or dad have around the house. You could save the lids. And then I found these lovely wooden numbers that I have stuck on the top. But you know what? You could use stickers. You could use a permanent marker and write them on. And on the inside, you could even put some matching spots so that when you look on this side, this says number 2, and on the inside there'd be 2 spots. I'm going to do that, but I haven't had a chance yet. So I've got my numbers. I've put them on my table and I'm going to give them a little mix up and I'm going to pick one. So I'm going to close my eyes. Oh, what number have I picked out? That's right, number 2. So I've got my number 2 and I'm going to use my Play-Doh and I'm going to make 2 slugs. So I'm going to roll it. So I've got my ball. I'm going to use my finger. Remember our dough disco. So there's my slug and he just needs some antennae, or tentacles, antennae. There we go. So there's my slug. So there's 1 slug. What was my number again? That's right, 2. So is that the same? No, I need to make another slug, don't I? So I'm going to make another slug. So I've got my Play-Doh. I'm going to roll it around first so that in the palm of my hands I've got a nice ball shape, and I'm going to put it in the palm of my hand and use my finger so that I can make a sausage shape. And then when I've got my sausage shape, I'm going to use my finger and my thumb, Tommy thumb and Peter pointer, to pinch at the Play-Doh until I have got 2 little antennae. Let's have a look. How many slugs have I made? Whoops, falling off my board. They don't want to sit on my board. There we go. So how many slugs have I got there? 1, 2. Does that match my number? It does, doesn't it? I've made 2 slugs. I'm going to pick another number this time. So I'm going to close my eyes and have a feel. Oh, what number? Oh, this one's a much bigger number. What number is that one? Number 8. That's right, number 8. So now I've got to make some more slugs. Lucky I've got 2 already, so I don't need to make 2. I need to make some more though until I've got 8. So I've rolled my dough. I'm going to pinch it to make my antennae. Right, now I'd already made 2, so let's have a look to see how many I've got this time. Whoops, I've lost one. So how many slugs have I got there? 1, 2, 3. Is that 8? No, still got to make some more. Right, let's make another one. Roll it using my fingers. Pinch it using Tommy thumb and Peter pointer. Right, there's another slug. Let's put that down on my board. If I put those up there a little bit, I'll show you in just a minute. Right, how many slugs have I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that enough? No, because our number was number 8. So I've got 4 So I've got to make another one. Roll it. And then I need to pinch it using Tommy Thumb and Peter Pointer. There we go. I'll put that slug with the other ones. How many slugs have I got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 slugs. Is that the same as 8? No, I've still got to make some more. So I've got 5 and I'm going to add another one. So then I'll have one more than 5. Here's my little slug. Now I know I've got 5. So I've got 5 and I'm going to add one more. Now I know that I've got 6. We can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still not enough. So I need to make another one. So does anybody know what 1 more than 6 is? Yes, you are so clever. You're right, it is 7. So here is another one of my slugs. Put him on there. Right, let's just double check. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what number comes after 7? That's right, 8. So I need to make one more and then I'll have my 8, won't I? So roll that up. Oops, give it a bit of a squash. Roll that up. Give him some eyes. Because that's what his eye stalks, that's what they are, isn't it? I'm going to put that one on there now. How many did I need to have altogether? That's right, I needed 8, didn't I? So let's count them and see if we've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my slugs match my number. Yay! Now, so this is an activity that I'd like you to have a go at. If you haven't got any bottle tops, you could write some numbers down on some paper and cut the paper up so you've got your numbers, okay? And then you can have turn them over so you can't see them, give them a shuffle and pick one out. Oh, what have I got this time? Number 3. So how many slugs do I need this time? I need 3. Now, do you know what? Because I've already made 8, I'm going to slide those off my board and then I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3. Is that the same? Yes, it is. I've got 3 slugs that I have made to match my number 3. I'd like you to see if you can do that. Maybe you could get up to number 10. Okay if you can't, but see if you can. All right? And don't forget to put it on Evidence Me for me so I can see what you've been up to. I hope you enjoy that activity. And I'll see you next week. Bye.